Welcome back in the second video of interrupts. Myself, Mrs. Globina Gomes. In previous video, we have learned that what is interrupt, what are the types of interrupts, what are vectored and non-vector interrupts, what are maskable and non-maskable interrupts. Now, in this video, we are going to learn software and hardware interrupts in detail. So, we will start with hardware interrupts. This interrupt is requested by external device or hardware. These are pins of microprocessor. It has lowest priority than any other software interrupt. Program counter is not incremented. You must have learned what is program counter in previous videos. It improves throughput of the system. What do you mean by throughput? Throughput is the performance of the system. This interrupt may be maskable or non-maskable. Now, this microprocessor 8085 provides 5 hardware interrupts. That is trap, RST 7.5, RST 6.5, RST 5.5 and finally INTR. Here, all the interrupts are arranged according to their priority, and also vector addresses of those interrupts are given. So trap is having highest priority and the vector address of trap is 0024H. Then RST 7.5 has lower priority than trap and its vector address is 0003H. RST 6.5 has lower priority than RST 7.5 and its vector address is 0034H. RST 5.5 has lower priority than 6.5 and its vector address is 002CH. And finally INTR, which is having lowest priority. But if you can see here, there is no vector address mentioned for INTR. INTR is non-vectored interrupt. And among all the hardware interrupts, trap is non-maskable interrupt. It means it cannot be ignored. And others are maskable interrupts. Let us learn one by one hardware interrupts. First is trap. It is non-maskable. It is used for emergency purpose like power failure, parity error checker, smoke detector, etc. It has highest priority, that is the important property. This interrupt transfer microprocessor control to location 0024H. Now, how can we define the location of trap interrupt? We will have look on it. Trap is considered as 4.5 and it is multiplied by 8. Why 8? Because 8 is the word size. We will get answer as 36. Now, all the memory locations of 8085 are in hexadecimal form. So first we have to convert 36 into hexadecimal form. And last year we have learnt convergence, how to convert into hexadecimal form. For that we need to divide the number by 16. So 16 ones are 16 and 16 twos are 32. So quotient is 2 and remainder is 4. Now answer is taken from bottom to top. So what is the answer? Answer is 0024H. Now here H specifies that it is hexadecimal number. We will see one more interrupt, that is RST 5.5. RST 5.5 interrupt transfers microprocessor control to location 002CH. Now we'll see how this location 002CH comes. Here RST 5.5, that is 5.5, is multiplied by 8. So we get answer as 44. Now again we need to convert into hexadecimal form. So we have to divide 44 by 16. So 16 ones are 16, 16 twos are 32, 16 threes are 48. Now 48 is greater than 44. So we have to take 16 twos are 32. So now the quotient is 2 and the remainder will be 12. So what will be the answer? Answer will be 2 and 12. But this is hexadecimal form, and in hexadecimal numbering system we take numbers as 0 to 9 and A to F. That is, we take 10 will be considered as A, 11 will be considered as B, 12 as C, 13 as D, 14 as E, and 15 as F. So we are taking from 0 to 9 and A to F. Now here we have 12. So 12 will be C. So what will be the answer? So therefore the answer is 002CH. Now instead of 12 we will be writing C over here. Likewise, we can calculate all vector interrupts. Now we will have short discussion on RST 7.5, RST 6.5 and RST 5.5. So RST 7.5, it is maskable. It has highest priority among all maskable interrupts. It has lower priority than trap, and when it inserts automatically, restarts at address 003CH. Next is RST 6.5. It is maskable. It has highest priority than RST 5.5 and INTR. It has lower priority than trap and RST 7.5, and when it inserts automatically, restart at address 0034H. Next is RST 5.5. It is maskable and it has highest priority than INTR, but it has lower priority than trap RST 7.5 and RST 6.5, and when it inserts automatically, restarts at address 002CH. By now, all hardware interrupts is clear to you all. Now let us understand software interrupt. So what is software interrupt? The normal operation of microprocessor can be interrupted by special instruction. Such an interrupt is called a software interrupt. These interrupts are not requested by external device but by microprocessor itself, that is by using instructions. Here program counter is incremented. It cannot be ignored or masked That is, all software interrupts are non-maskable. It does not improve the throughput of the system, means it does not improve the performance of the system. All the software interrupts have more priority than any hardware interrupt. Microprocessor 8085 provides 8 user-defined software interrupts. That is, from RST0 to RST7 instructions. And those instructions are used to call ISR, where RST means restart. They are used to call software routines like single step, breakpoint, etc. And these interrupts are vectored interrupts. So here are the instructions of the software interrupts with their vector addresses. The instructions are from RST0 till RST7. Now, vector address of RST0 is 0000H. RST1 vector address is 0008H. RST2 vector address is 0010H. Vector address for RST3 is 0018H. For RST4 is 0020H. RST5 is 0028H. RST6 it is 0030H, and finally for RST7 the vector address is 0038H, and the vector address are calculated the same as we have seen earlier. Now here we have finished with software interrupt. I hope everybody understood what are the hardware interrupts and what are the software interrupts. Also, what are the vector addresses for types of hardware interrupts and what are the vector addresses for different software interrupts. Now, we will discuss some questions related to this topic and already have come for board exam. Question number 1 is, what is interrupt? Explain in detail. Question can be asked like, give all the hardware interrupts provided by 8085 and list them according to their priority. Third question, what are hardware and software interrupts? List them with vector addresses. What are vector interrupts? What are maskable and non-maskable interrupts? State all hardware interrupts of 8085 microprocessor with their priorities and branching of vector addresses. Differentiate between non-maskable and maskable interrupt. I would like to discuss this question with you. These are the differences between maskable and non-maskable interrupts. The first difference is these interrupts cannot be masked or cannot be made pending. That is for non-maskable. For maskable, these interrupts can be masked or made pending. Second point is non-maskable interrupt disables all maskable interrupt, and maskable interrupt cannot disable any non-maskable interrupt. Why? Because non-maskable interrupts are having higher priority than maskable interrupts, whereas maskable interrupts are having lower priority than non-maskable interrupts. It is always vector interrupts. What are the vector interrupts? Non-maskable interrupt. They are always vectored, whereas maskable interrupts may be vectored or non-vector interrupts. So can you tell me what are the vectored maskable interrupt? Yes, RST 7.5, RST 6.5, RST 5.5 are vectored maskable interrupts, and our INTR is non-vectored maskable interrupt. Here, trap is non-maskable vectored interrupt. Response time is low for non-maskable interrupt, and response time is high for maskable interrupts. I hope you this basic of interrupt, the types of interrupt, this concept is clear to you all, and this topic is very important topic for exam point of view. Thank you for watching this video.